Today we're practicing simple English you use when something goes wrong in the bathroom. These are real situations that happen to everyone, and I'll help you say them clearly and naturally. Let's practice simple English you use when something goes wrong in the bathroom. Here's the first one. This happens all the time when your hands are wet or the soap slips. I dropped the soap. Say it with me. I dropped the soap. This is a simple line you can use anytime the soap falls out of your hand. Next one. This is one of the most common bathroom problems. I ran out of toilet paper. Repeat after me. I ran out of toilet paper. You use this when there is no toilet paper left. It's a very useful everyday sentence. Here's another situation that happens when the floor is wet. I stepped on the wet floor. Say it with me. I stepped on the wet floor. This is the line you use when you accidentally step on water. Now let's look at another everyday problem. I can't open the shampoo bottle. Let's say it slowly. I can't open the shampoo bottle. Sometimes the bottle is too tight or your hands are slippery. This is the natural English sentence for that moment. Next one. I dropped the towel. Repeat after me. I dropped the towel. Simple and clear. You can use this anytime your towel falls. Here's another bathroom problem. I squeezed too much toothpaste. Let's say it again slowly. I squeezed too much toothpaste. You can use this when the toothpaste spills or comes out too fast. These are everyday bathroom problems, and now you know how to say them clearly. That's it. Practice these lines in real life.